Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Tech Viper. Are you tired of paying for AI coding platforms like LOVABLE, Cursor, bolt.diy? No need to worry, I have got a great alternative to it, that is bolt.diy, and the best part is it's absolutely free and works directly onto our system. Just you need to get the API key from Gemini or any other models and you can use it over here. So in this video we will see how to set it up on our system and how to use it by getting the key from Gemini. So let's check this out. So first of all, we will go to bolt.diy. And this is the repository. Here you will get all the documentation needed for the installation and other purposes. And one thing you need to be clear about it is that you need node.js installed on your system. Just take it, is node.js installed on your system or not. If it's not installed, you can just click on this website link and you can download it from here and install it. So let's get back. So in this video, we will see how we can install it in a very easy and simple way. So what we can do is we can take this URL. You can also download a zip file, but I'm just using the Git link to clone it. So I will just copy it and I will go to Visual Studio Code. If you don't have Visual Studio Code installed on your system, you can just install it by searching in Google itself. Now we will click on clone Git repository and we will paste the link over here. Let's say we're inside a desktop. And you can see it's cloning the repository. Let's open it. And you can see over here, we got the project files. Now let's open the terminal. And we will write over here npm install force. Why we are adding force over here? Because so that no conflict between dependencies happen and it installs everything properly. You might get some warning, but no need to worry about that. It will take a couple of time. So we will fast forward it now. So now you can see it got in, the dependencies got installed successfully. Now we will run npm run dev. Now we got this URL. We will just copy this and paste it over our browser. First time you might get a blank screen like that. No need to worry. Just reload it again. See, we came over here. You can select models from here, the model versions from here. So everything you can select from here. Now we need an API key right over here. So I need to put an API key over here. What we can do, you can just go to Gemini API key. Click over here, Google AI Studio. We will click on create API key. We will click over here, Gemini API key. We select any project, or if you don't have any project, you need to create it. We will copy the key. We'll go back over here. We'll paste the key over here. Now here, we can build something like simple calculator. And let's see generates for us or not. And now you can see over here, we will get a calculator over here. So you can see, it generated a calculator for us. So if you found this video helpful, please do like this video and drop any question or comments if you have any. And please do subscribe this channel for more tech related videos like this. Till then, take care. I will see you in the next video.